Okay, so your assignment is to get started on this annotated bibliography. Notice it's pretty self-explanatory. You need a source citation, and then you need a summary. You need to explain the source, and you need to analyze the strengths and weaknesses of the source and its argument. So fairly self-explanatory. You do need 6 sources. That provides sufficient information for you to both defend your own side, consider the opposing side, and provide and support quality counterclaim or rebuttal. Also, these 6 sources need to be different from your partners. So then that way you have more sources to pull from when you do the debate. Side note, you do not need to use all your sources in your debate. You just need to have that base of research so your argument can be effective. Okay, so now how to make a source citation. So if you find an article on Google, you need to go to Purdue OWL, click on this MLA Formatting and Style Guide. Feel free to pause the video at any time. So now you come here and it says cite your source automatically in MLA, and then you put this title, URL, a keyword. So now I'm going to find an article. Let's see, I'm just going to put something random, garbage in the streets. Oh, look at those images. New York Times has an article. And obviously, for the purpose of your annotated bibliography, you first want to make sure it passes the crop test. This one probably doesn't unless I'm talking about the 1860s. But you know what? It's an article, and I need to use it for the purposes of this video. So I'm going to come over here, and notice I copied and pasted this URL. Come over here. I'm going to paste. Then it looks like this. Garbage in the streets. Yep, that's my article. I'll click select. Final step. And then it will ask you for further information. If you don't have it, that's totally fine. And then here it is, garbage in the streets. So then I would copy this, and then I would go paste it over in my annotated bibliography in this spot. Now, obviously, there's only like 2 sources on here, so you just need to go back there and find and make room for other sources or use a different document or something. Okay, so that's what I have. Now, if you're using Utah's online library, I'll show you where to find. Go to Gal Reference Collection, let's say, Power Search, garbage in the streets. Power is lying in the streets of Iraq. Not necessarily about garbage in the streets, but it's okay. I need to show you how to find a source citation. So you can click this Cite button up here, or you can just scroll down and it's always at the bottom. Power is lying in the streets of Iraq. Copy and paste that over to your annotated bibliography. Now, if, for example, going back, you decide to use EBSCO high schools, again, I'm going to garbage in the streets. Citizen arrested for dumping garbage on the street. Interesting. Okay, so it's over here on the right-hand side. You click Cite, and then you scroll down. Oh, come on. Oh, it's right there. And then you copy that and you paste it over. Also, side note, EBSCO and Gal Reference Collection tend to lose things, so make sure you save them to your Google Drive by clicking that, and then it'll create a little folder in your Google Drive. Same thing over here. If you click like send to, you can click Google Drive, or you can click this little Google Drive icon right here, or you can download it. I don't recommend emailing it to yourself because you might lose the email. Okay, so that's all. Hopefully that was helpful. Thanks.